Good morning, guys. I'm up working on a vlog. It's a beautiful morning. Actually, it's not. It's raining outside. It might have stopped by now. Let me show you what it looks like. Look at those clouds up there. You can see it. Look at those clouds. Extra foggy. Yeah, don't know if I'm going anywhere today. It's cold. I'm trying to open this toy, you guys. The battery is like horrible. Listen, hold on, just gotta push it. I don't even think it'll play. Hold on. Really? I think it's about to die. So I'm trying to find out which batteries it takes. Dre is opening his toolbox. Where'd you go?
Huh?
You just tripped over everything. Open the baby in the little swing. We're actually about to go to the gym. I'm not vlogging the gym today, but just letting you guys know we heading to the gym. He wants to see what's inside. I'm excited. I want to see what's inside.
Dang. For real?
All the pieces all fell out? I guess the cardboard idea didn't work because the tool still fell out. There's a knife over there. There's some scissors. All the pieces are all over the place. It's probably from when we wrapped it or from when we, yeah, I think it's from when we wrapped it because it was right side up the whole time until I wrapped it, I think.
It's all good, baby. It smells good.
As they say, many hands makes the load light. Jasmine is helping replace all the tools back in their respective places. I took the screws off on this and tried to take the back off and it's not working. So I just put the screws back on. So if it dies, I guess it's just gonna have to die. Because I don't think this was meant to be replaced. Or I don't think the batteries were meant to be replaced, so I don't know. I just seen a lady in labor. They did the same thing to her. They sent her home and said, walk around for 2 hours. I'm like, same thing to me. But you guys won't believe this. I lost my brand new jacket. I'm so mad. Huh?
I said, I'm pretty sure that.
I don't know where I left it, but if anybody sees it in Aviano, I know what it looks like. Please turn it in, thanks. I'm here and we're about to have dinner. Well, already made dinner. That's my dinner. Looks good, doesn't it? Dre has finished his plate. Journey's being a butt. Jasmine's scarfing down her food. Eating dinner, we're back from the store and stuff, and ironically I did leave my jacket at home. So, it was on the chair where I left it. But it wasn't there when I looked last time. Anyways. Yeah, about to eat dinner and that's it, huh? Shower and get ready for bed. We have a long day tomorrow.